Hello parents and students. In this video I am going to discuss about why there is different classification of engineering institutions in India. Means in our country we have different level of engineering degree universities or institutions like IITs, NITs, triple ITs, GFTI colleges, state government colleges and then private colleges. So why this kind of different level of classification for engineering education in India? Now to understand this we have to go back to the time when in India industrial development was starting. So in the year 1951 onwards, there was a decision taken by Government of India to ensure there is technological development or industrial development taking place in India. So that is why IITs were established. The first IIT established in the year 1951 was IIT Kharagpur, which is the oldest IIT in India, and then later on other IITs came on. Then from 1961 IITs JEE advanced exam were started to conducted for the admission into these IITs, and after 19 during the late 1960s regional engineering colleges were also set up in various states. During that time around 8 to 10 regional engineering colleges were set up depending upon the industrial development taking place in a particular state. On that time these regional engineering colleges were completely under state government, and they fulfilled the requirement of the particular state of the the particular region. Later on from 2000 onwards these regional engineering colleges were converted into NITs because they were handed over to central government, and the funding was also shifted to central government. So this was the formation or beginning of NITs in India. Now if you look into the histories, IITs and NITs were developed mainly to cater the needs of industrial development in India centrally, so that quality engineers can be produced. At the same time research level execution for different work can be done. So initially all the research work of India was conducted in these IITs only. During that time there were no science research institute other than IISc Bangalore. So now we have science research institutes which do core research work. These are institutes like ISARS, NISARS, etc. Now during that time in the early 2000 there were only IITs and NITs that were interested to do research work, and all the technological development in India were mainly focused on IITs and NITs. Later on private engineering colleges started. They came to fulfill the again local requirement, and some government colleges were also formed. So this is why there is so much classification of engineering colleges in India. Now we have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 colleges. Tier 1 mainly includes IITs and NITs, and tier 2 colleges mainly are government colleges, state government colleges or GFTI colleges funded by central government or state government, and the tier 3 colleges mainly includes the private colleges, and there are certain private colleges that are also coming under tier 2 or tier 1. Now again there is one more classification called Institute of National Importance. Institute of National Importance are those institutions that are again founded by central government, and they are getting big funds for research work as well as different type of developments or educational developments or higher studies. Now in India again we have National Institute of National Importance. Not only it is restricted with engineering colleges but also to medical colleges and AIIMS, colleges such as AIIMS and Indian Institute of Management as well. So if you have the tag of Institute of National Importance, then of course it is an autonomous body, and this type of engineering institution does not require AICTE. Otherwise all the state engineering government colleges or even central government engineering colleges under central universities or private colleges do require approval of AICTE. Without the approval of AICTE, engineering degree is not valid, but it is not applicable to IITs and NITs, triple ITs, simply because these engineering institutions are autonomous bodies and these have got the Institute of National Importance tag. So that is why we have so many classification of engineering institute in India. Basically it started, as I said, it started for the requirement of the state level, local level, regional level, and there were colleges which will be looking into overall engineering, technology and scientific development in India. That is why IITs and NITs were actually formed. Hope you like this video, and this video is informative for students as well as parents who want to take engineering as a career and don't understand what is the difference between various engineering institute like IITs, NITs, IIITs, state government colleges and private colleges. Thank you.